Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I just watched this very short video from the people at SDRPlay about the upgrade to the SDRuno software, which is going to add a major enhancement which allows you to incorporate two antenna inputs into the two receivers that the SDRuno has, and therefore increase the reception of your radios. And they call this, what do they call it? Diversity software. And if you look up diversity software, you can get an understanding of what that means. And if you watch the video, it's very short, it's only like 2 minutes. If you come down near the end here, right here, this is right here, the new screen that they've added called Diversity. Now, they don't tell you what this screen is showing you. I am really excited about this addition because it's supposed to help with reception by hooking up two different antennas to the two receivers, and in the software it combines those inputs. Again, I'm just now understanding this, but check out their video, and at the very end they announce that this software upgrade is coming in the next few weeks. So we're looking forward to that. So check it out. I thank the people at SDRPlay for sending me an RSP Duo to check out. I've been struggling with it. I'm going to do a quick video probably after this one about a little glitch that I found. It's not a glitch, but it looks like something's not working right, but I'll explain what it's doing. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.